Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So you can literally use any pair of AirPods basically in order to connect it to your iPhone. Just make sure they are real, and yeah, it can literally be any version. Now, in order to actually connect your AirPods to your iPhone, what you simply need to do is make sure that Bluetooth is actually enabled. So we can see right now that mine is enabled, and that's really important because without Bluetooth, you will not be able to connect your AirPods. Once you've done that, also make sure that you have charged your AirPods completely full, especially when you are trying to set them up. Just make sure that they are basically 100% full. And yeah, basically once you've done that, what you can simply do is grab your phone and your AirPods, and you can just open your AirPods like this. And yes guys, sorry, my AirPods are a little bit dirty. But yeah, in order to connect your AirPods to your iPhone, you will notice that when you literally just open them next to your phone, you will automatically get this AirPods Pro pop-up or your normal AirPods. And then in order to actually connect them, either they will already be in your iCloud system basically, and they will automatically be connected. And if you just bought a new pair of AirPods, all you need to do is hold them side by side just like this. Then click on connect. And what you then need to do is just simply hold down the power button right here at the back. So this is a button which you need to hold for just a few seconds. And then they should automatically be paired, as you guys can see. I would just recommend holding it down until you get the setup confirmation basically. And then now you can basically set up your AirPods. I'm just going to click on not now, click on basically announce calls and notifications. And then basically that's literally all you need to do. You will now notice that basically you have connected your AirPods to your iPhone. Alright, so now that your AirPods are connected, what you can do is head over to settings. And if you then go into Bluetooth, and when they are connected with your phone, you will notice that it will say connected, and you can click on this eye icon right here. And it will literally give you a lot of information, and you can also just adjust a lot of things right here. But yeah, that's basically what you need to do in order to set up your AirPods. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.